When it comes to building muscle, training frequency is just as important as the exercises you do and the amount of weight you lift. It's not enough to simply hit the gym a few times a week and hope for results. In order to maximize muscle growth, you need an effective training split that targets each muscle group with the right amount of frequency. A well-designed training split is crucial for maximizing muscle growth because it allows for proper recovery and stimulation of each muscle group. Each muscle group requires a different amount of frequency in order to see progress. For example, larger muscle groups like the back and legs may require more frequent training compared to smaller muscle groups like biceps or calves. This is due to the fact that larger muscle groups can handle more volume and require more stimulation for growth. Additionally, adequate rest and recovery is essential for building muscle, as it allows the muscles to repair and grow injure. When it comes to creating an effective training split, it's important to have a good understanding of the major muscle groups in the body. These include the chest, back, legs, shoulders, arms, and core. Each muscle group serves a specific function and requires different types of exercises for optimal growth. The chest muscles, pectoralis major and minor, are responsible for pushing movements and require around 48-72 hours to recover. The back muscles, lats, traps, rhomboids are involved in pulling movements and typically require the same amount of recovery time. The legs consist of several muscle groups, including quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. These larger muscle groups can handle more volume and may require up to 72 hours of recovery time. Shoulders and arms are smaller muscle groups and may require shorter recovery times compared to the larger muscle groups. However, they should still be trained with proper frequency to see progress. Lastly, the core muscles, abdominals, obliques, play a crucial role in stabilizing the body during exercises and should not be neglected in your training split. It's important to note that all muscle groups should be trained with balance and equal attention. Neglecting certain muscle groups can lead to imbalances, which can hinder progress and increase the risk of injury. There are several different training splits that are commonly used among fitness enthusiasts and athletes. These include full body, upper-lower, and push-pull splits. Each split has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, making it important to choose the one that best suits your goals and individual needs. Full body split, as the name suggests, a full body split involves training all major muscle groups in one session. This allows for a higher frequency of training each muscle group, making it an effective option for beginners or those looking to maintain overall muscle mass. Upper-lower split. This split involves alternating between upper body and lower body workouts on different days. It allows for more focused training of each muscle group and can be beneficial for both muscle growth and strength gain. Push-pull split. This split separates pushing movements, chest, shoulders, triceps, from pulling movements, back, biceps. It allows for proper recovery of each muscle group while still maintaining a higher frequency compared to a full body split. Ultimately, the best training split for you will depend on your goals and individual needs. Beginners may benefit from a full body split, while more advanced lifters looking for greater muscle growth and strength gains may find an upper-lower or push-pull split more effective. Ideal training frequency. As a general guideline, it is recommended to train each muscle group 2-3 times per week for optimal growth and recovery. This allows for enough frequency to stimulate muscle growth while also allowing for proper rest and recovery. For larger muscle groups such as chest, back, and legs, training frequency can range from 1-2 times per week. Smaller muscle groups like shoulders and arms may benefit from a higher frequency of 2-3 times per week. However, it's important to remember that these are just general recommendations, and individual factors such as age, experience level, and goals should also be taken into consideration. It's also crucial to listen to your body and adjust training frequency as needed. If you're feeling overly fatigued or experiencing a decrease in performance, it may be time to decrease your frequency or take a rest day. In conclusion, finding the ideal training frequency for you is a combination of understanding the different types of training splits, considering your individual factors and goals, and listening to your body. With proper planning and adjustment, you can find a training frequency that allows for optimal progress and helps you reach your fitness goals. So it's important to experiment with different training frequencies and find what works best for you in order to see the best results. Remember to prioritize proper form, adequate rest and recovery, and a balanced approach to training all muscle groups. With consistency and dedication, you can achieve your desired physique and overall fitness level through appropriate training frequency. Keep pushing and always strive for progress, not perfection. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks, and leave us a comment below with your thoughts and questions.